Hello friend, today I will tell you about type of instruction in 8085 microprocessor according to word size, flowchart of microprocessor program, algorithm of microprocessor program for addition of to 8-bit numbers, input store in register, step by step, microprocessor program for addition of to 8-bit number, inputs store in memory, step by step, how to operate 8085 microprocessor kit, how to feed program in microprocessor kit, how to execute microprocessor program, how to see result in microprocessor kit. 8085 is 8-bit microprocessor. It can store 8-bit in one memory location. The kit memory from 0 to 1 FFF is EEPROM. We cannot load or program in this memory location. And the kit memory from 2000 to 3 FFF is RAM. We load or program in this memory location. We know 1 byte equal to 8-bit. Hexadecimal number are used in microprocessor. We know each hexadecimal digit represent 4-bit binary number. 8-bit microprocessor store 2 hexadecimal digit in each memory location. 4D is the example of this. 4 convert 0100 in binary and D1101. Instruction divided by into part: mnemonics, operation name, and operand on which the operation is to be performed. This is the kit diagram of 8085 microprocessor. Each instruction have unique opcode. We feed opcode to execute that instruction. You can see here this is the instruction opcode and we feed that only. 1 byte instruction where is not written 8-bit and 16-bit, they all are 1 byte instruction. You can see here. It consume one memory location, and 8-bit where it is written 8-bit, they all are 2 byte instruction. It consume 2 memory location, and where is written 16-bit, they all are 3 byte instruction, and it consume 3 memory location. Depending on the word size, instruction divided by in 3 parts: 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte. 1 byte instruction, there is only the opcode. The operand is specified in opcode itself. Such instruction need one memory location. Move B, A. Copy content of A into register B. 47 is the hex code of this. You can see in opcode sheet 47. And it consume one memory. We feed 47 in that memory. And 2 byte instruction, first byte is always opcode of the instruction and second byte is the data byte. Such instruction need 2 memory location. MVI B, 8-bit is the example of this. Move immediate data 8-bit into register B. 06 is the hex code of this. You can see in hex code sheet 06. It consume 2 memory location. First hex code of this and the second is data. 86 is 8-bit data and we feed in next memory. 3 byte instruction is first byte is always opcode of the instruction and second and third byte is data oblique address byte. Second byte is lower order data oblique address byte and third byte is higher order data oblique address byte. Such instruction need 3 memory location. JMP 16-bit is the example of this jump to memory location having the 16-bit memory address. C3 is the hex code of this. You can see in hex code C3. It consume 3 memory location. First is the C3 hex code of this and the second is lower order byte and third memory consume higher order byte. Now I will explain flowchart symbol. Oval denotes beginning or end of a program. Flow line denotes direction of logic flow in a program. Parallelogram denotes either an input operation or an output operation. Rectangle denotes a process to be carried out. Diamond denotes decision to be made. The program should be continue along one of 2 routes. Now first program is addition of to 8-bit number. Input store in register and some also in 8-bit. Here structure we assume D1 and D2 to data, and addition of these is as note. D1 is 8-bit input data, D2 also is 8-bit input data, and sum is 8-bit. We assume accumulator stored D1 and register B stored D2, and result will store in register C. This is the algo of program. This is the flowchart of program. Now we assume D1 is equal to 48, D2 equal to 32, and result in register C. We start our program 2500 memory location, MVI A, 48 first instruction, initialize first number D1 in accumulator. Here you can see by using this instruction 48 store in accumulator. It consume 2 memory location. After this MVI B, 32 initialize second number D2 in register B. By using this instruction 32 store in register B. It also consume 2 memory location. Next instruction add B, add D1 D2 result store in accumulator. It also 1 memory consume. By using this instruction 7A results of sum store in accumulator. Now move C, A store result in register C. It consume 1 memory. By using this 7A copy from accumulator to register C. After this RST5 to terminate the program. Now this of our result. Next program is addition of to 8-bit number input to store in memory. Here sum also in 8-bit. Structure we assume D1 and D2 input and as note is output. D1 is 8-bit data, D2 also 8-bit data, and sum also in 8-bit. Here we assume memory 3000 stored D1 and 3001 stored D2, and result will be stored in 3002. We will start our program 2400. This is the algo of the program. This is the flowchart of program. Now first of all we store input data in memory. 46 store in 3000 and 6F store in 3001 memory. After this store we will go to feed program. We feed 2400 LXI first instruction store 16-bit data means 3000 store in HL pair. It consume 3 memory. Here by using this instruction 3000 store in HL pair. Next instruction move A, M transfer D1 in accumulator from memory address store in HL pair. By using this instruction 3000 memory data transfer in accumulator. And next instruction is INXH. By using this instruction increment in HL pair by 1 means here you can see HL pair data become 3001. Add M. M indicate here 3001, so add D1 D2 data and result store in accumulator. Here you can see the result store in accumulator. After addition we increment in HL pair by INX1. It become HL pair 3002. Now we will move our result accumulator to memory. By using this instruction, copy accumulated data in 3002. Here you can see it copy here. After this, we terminate our program using RST5. How to operate microprocessor kit. Keypad type. One more kit available in market, which is keyboard. I will explain in next video. Now, how to operate this keypad type kit. How to feed input data in register. Input data feed in register in program. It does not require extra feeding. Now, how to feed input data in memory. Press reset, then press examine memory, then feed memory address of input, then press next, then feed first input data, then press next. After feed last data, press one more time next to save last data. How to feed program in memory. Press reset, then press examine memory, then feed starting address of program, then press next, then feed first hex code of program, then press next. After feed last hex code, press one more time next to save last hex code. Now, how to execute the program. Press dot to terminate, then press go to execute the program, then feed starting address of program, then press dot. Then how to see result in register. Press reset, then shift to provide a second level command to all key as we use in scientific calculator. Then press examine register, then register name. To see the result in next register, press next. Don't press previous. It's work alphabetic ascending order only. How to see result in memory. Press examine memory, then feed memory address of result, then press next. How to edit program. Press reset, then press examine memory, then feed address of program where you want to change hex code, then press next, then edit hex code, then press next. After feed edit hex code, press one more time next to save edited hex code. Now we perform addition of to 8-bit number using register. So reset, examine memory starting address 2500, then press next, then MVIA opcode 3E, next, then data 48, next MVI B hex code 06, next, then data 32, next, then add B hex code 80, then next, then MOVC, A hex code 4F, then next, then reset RST hex code EF, then next, then dot go starting address 2500, then dot. Now see the result. Shift examine register, then register name C. Now you can see the result here. Now I want to say you that when you see the result, don't press reset. When you see result, don't press reset. I have done mistake here. Sometime the data will be changed when you press reset to see result in register and memory. And to edit program, we do not require feed all hex code of program. We follow only this instruction: reset, examine memory, feed address of program where you want to change hex code, then press next, then edit hex code, then press next, then follow execution step of program. Now you can see how we edit data in program. I want to edit D1 here. the program will be changed here, and in opcode here we will change. So first of all press reset, then examine memory, then editing address to 501, then press next. Then if any region, if you feed wrong data, you can instantly correct it. Here I am giving the example. Now you can correct it. Then you press next, then press dot to execute the program, then go, then starting address to 500, then dot. Now if when you see the result, don't press reset. I already told you don't press reset, directly press shift, then examine register, then register name, such as I am using C. Now we perform addition of two 8-bit number using memory data. So first of all reset, examine memory, then address of memory data 3000, then press first data 46, then press next data 6F, then one time next, then reset, examine memory, starting address 2400, then press next, then LXI hex code 21, press then next, then lower byte of 16-bit data 00, then 30 higher byte of 16-bit data, then move a comma M hex code 7E, then next, then INX hex code 23, then next, then add M hex code 86, then next, then INX hex code 23, then next, then move M comma A hex code 77, then next, then RST5 hex code EF, then next, then dot go, starting address 2400, then dot. Now see the result, press examine memory, then memory address of output to 3002. Here you can see the result. Now it's the subscribe time, so click to my photo to subscribe my channel to get more video. Please share and like my video. Click to play my other video which show on this screen. Also give comments and advice about my video. Thank you.